I'm wearing so much makeup. Okay. Hola mi bella gente! How's it going? What's up? How's life? How's it going? Hi. I never do this much makeup, but I was just like, you know what? I'm just gonna do it. And you know when you just try something new and then you try something else new and then you try something else new and then you're like really close up and then you look far away at a big mirror and then you're like, oh my God, ¿quién es esa niña? Who's that? I don't know. So anyways, hi. If you're new to my channel, my name is Greta Priego. Luna Priego is my last name, Greta's my first name. And I recently, in 2018, so not this past year, oh my God, I'm getting so old. This past year, not this past year, 2018, I graduated from college. Yes. Thank you. And I have learned so much. I learned so much about college. I mean, I went through the entire thing. I went through all 4 years. I didn't drop out. I am a testament that it can be done. You can do it. If you feel like you're gonna die, it's because you're just getting smarter and you're getting stronger. Wait. That's what my trainer tells me when I'm working out. Like I just had to mention that I have a trainer. And guess what, girl? You can make it, okay? You can make it. I'm thinking back when I was a freshman, and this is the time when a lot of people are going back to school. Everyone's, getting ready. All the elementary schools are getting like their 100-pack crayons. And then all the college kids are getting their condoms, But I thought it would be interesting to talk about fashion in college and what clothes to bring in college. We're gonna forget about all the command strips, and we're gonna forget about all the safe sex stuff. Don't forget about safe sex, that's important. What should you bring to college in terms of clothes? What you should leave at home? And I'm just gonna give you tips. You get better 100%. You get better at this as you go along. Your 4 years, you learn and as you go. But if you're a freshman, if you're a little freshie coming into college for the first time, then this is for you. Okay. So first of all, you are going from having your little walk-in closet, okay, in your own spacious room where you begged your parents to have all this room and you finally have it, and now you're going back to square one, which is like a little tiny shoebox, and then a closet is a hole in the wall, essentially. At least that's how it was in my college, unless your college treats freshmen better. That's up to debate. So think of moving into college, moving your clothes into college as decluttering. Think of it as you're decluttering your closet. Look at your closet and be like, okay, Sally, if your name is Sally. Be like, okay, Sally, what am I going to actually wear? What have I been wearing recently, and what am I not gonna wear? And what have I not been wearing, okay? So this is a good opportunity to declutter your closet as well. So before you move into college, while you're packing your clothes and you're onto that section of your to-do list before you're going to college and all excited, go through your closet and think, okay, I'm gonna declutter my closet and everything that I keep. Well, not everything, because I just said don't take everything, but things that you keep are the ones that you are most likely going to bring. Things that you are like, okay, I should donate this, or I've never worn this, or I bought it thinking I was gonna wear it, or I used to wear it a lot, now I never use it, now I never wear it. Give that away, declutter it, or just leave it at home. Okay, number 2, think about where you're going to college. Okay, this is so obvious. This is very obvious, but honestly, I did not think about this my freshman year. I was going to college in Atlanta, which is the South. Peace up, A-Town down, And it can be very, very, very warm in the South. So you don't need that huge oversized coat when you're first moving in, okay? You don't need that. You need it later, but you don't need it right now. So think about where you're going to college. If you're moving states, if you're moving countries, there's a lot of international students that come into college in the United States. So it depends on where you're going. So think about really the weather, think about what it tends to be like, and pack accordingly. That's kind of obvious, but people tend to forget that. Like they think, oh my God, what if we have a snowstorm? And they're like, They're going to school in Los Angeles. Girl, you don't need that in your life. Get rid of it, get rid of it. And only pack 4, if you can. This depends on your situation. If you're international, it might be more difficult, or if you're not gonna be going home during the fall break, this might not apply to you. But if you can, and this applies to you, only try to pack for the months between August, which is when most people go to school, August or September, until your fall break. But if you think you're gonna be going home for Thanksgiving or fall break, that's when you can get all your snuggly clothes and trade that out for your little booty shorts and all your short skirts and all that kind of stuff, okay? General tip number 3, don't bring too many comfy clothes. I know so many people love to bring 20 different types of sweatpants, like their hot pink sweatpants, the juicy couture sweatpants in case they need it for Halloween or something. All their t-shirts that they got for free in middle school or high school. Girl, you're not gonna use that. You're not gonna use your free middle school and high school t-shirts, because I can assure you that you're gonna get so many in college. Colleges are gonna throw them at you, especially on orientation. You're gonna be like, oh my God. You don't need all those free t-shirts. You might think, oh my gosh, what if there's like an event where we're like running in the mud and like I don't want to get it dirty, but like I need something that I don't mind getting dirty, so I'm gonna bring this t-shirt from like 8th grade. Something that a lot of people forget is that athletic clothing, so things that you wear to work out, can double as comfy clothes. And that's what at least a lot of my friends and me personally, that's what I use for comfy clothes. When I want to be comfy, I wear my workout gear. Just bring a couple of comfy things that you actually wear and that you love, because we all know we have those like couple key things that we love to wear when we're just lounging around. So don't bring too many comfy things, okay? So number 4, before I get into the nitty-gritty things of what you actually should bring to college, don't bring too many fancy things. Oh my gosh. This was my fatal flaw freshman year. I wanted to bring all those prom gowns that I got, that I spent way too much money on, and brought them to school because I was like, oh my gosh, what if I join a sorority and we need to be like super fancy? What if I get asked out on a date and we go out to eat in like the Sundial Hotel, which is like this really nice hotel in Atlanta. I was just having all these imaginary scenarios in my head that never happened. Never happened. It's really hard because you get so excited and you're thinking about, oh my God, all the possibilities when you're a freshman. But girl, can I just tell you, this sounds really mean. I feel like I'm crushing your dreams here, but most likely it's not gonna happen. Or most likely it will happen, but you're not gonna end up wearing that thing. College and college students in general are very casual people. Like, we're very chill, you know? So leave all that fancy stuff at home. I'm sorry to crush your dreams. Okay, so I've talked a lot. I am so sweaty. Oh my God. Okay, so I want to talk about now the list of things that you actually need. I've talked a lot about things that you should avoid, things you shouldn't bring, things you should leave at home. So now it's time for things that you're actually gonna need. Guys, I am so sweaty. It is so hot in here. Vamonos. Okay, so the first thing I'm going to touch on when I'm talking about what to bring to college are the lounging and workout clothes. So I think the first thing that should be on your list are, personally, cropped yoga pants. I think that they look amazing on anyone. They look amazing on every single body type, and they're the ones that I gravitate most towards. So any workout outfits that you find yourself gravitating towards when you work out at home or you worked out in high school, definitely bring those. And don't bring the things that you know that you will never feel comfortable in. I would bring some tank tops, some that are very colorful and fun, so it kind of evens out if you're wearing black yoga pants, and it kind of like evens it out, makes it cute. Same thing with the sport bras. I would bring longer sports bras, or if I'm going to be wearing it underneath something, then I would bring, you know, like the normal sports bras. And this brings brings me to my second point, which is lounging clothes. For the most part, I would say I wear a lot of my workout clothes as athleisure. So I wear them for days that I'm not actually gonna be working out, but I just wanna be comfortable. And if you wanna pack like more leisurely, comfy clothes, then I would suggest bringing, honestly, like 2 to 3 pairs of sweatpants. You're not gonna be wearing them that much, especially if you're moving in August. Girl, it's gonna be hot. Most likely where you're going, it's gonna be really hot, and you're not gonna be wanting to wear those like really fuzzy sweatpants that are really comfy when it's Christmas time, but honestly when it's August and September, girl, you don't want to wear that. So bring a couple of leggings. Non-workout leggings are great, you know, like the typical leggings that everyone wears, the ones that are not really for working out, the ones that are a little bit thinner, those are great. I love those. You don't need too many because they all honestly look the same. And I would say bring a few sweatshirts. Again, you don't need too many, a few sweaters and some tank tops that are really comfortable, and honestly, that's it. The sun is going in and out. I don't know what she's on today. She's a little bit grumpy. What to wear to class. Okay, that's the huge thing. That's what you're mostly gonna be wearing, is things that you're gonna be wearing to class. Obviously, yes, you can wear technically whatever you want in college, but you still have to think about, I mean, I do think personally that you have to have, or you should have, a sense of professionalism in college, especially when you go to class. Like when you're out of class, like whatever, you know, your teacher is the person that you are probably gonna get a recommendation letter from, and if you're really standing out looking like all sorts of little crazy, then they're gonna remember that. So I don't know, let me know if you agree with me, let me know if you disagree with me. I'd love to talk about it in the comments. I just think you should bring a couple of different style of jeans, because honestly, jeans are great. They go with everything, and if you find a good pair, they can be really comfortable. You know, they don't have to be uncomfortable. I love myself some boyfriend jeans, so I would bring a pair of boyfriend jeans. I would bring a pair of more like tight-fitting jeans. I would bring, even like I brought to college, I brought a pair of like flare jeans, and those did so well. They did so well. Everyone loved them. They were such a hit at my university, okay? Same thing goes with shorts. I'd bring a nice pair of like denim shorts. I have a pair of like high-rise Urban Outfitter shorts. I love those. Yeah, you're good to go. You don't need too many styles of shorts and jeans. Those are like basics. As long as you have like 3 good ones that you absolutely love and you're gonna wear all the time, that's good. Going along with the denim trend, I would also suggest to bring a nice denim skirt. Okay, denim skirts are the best. I love them. I literally wear mine. I've had mine for like 2.5 years now, and I love it. I love denim skirts. You can wear them to go out, you can wear them to class, you can wear them anywhere, anytime. I love them, so I would definitely bring that. And then in terms of tops, obviously you want to bring some like nice cute tops that you can not only wear to class, you can wear, you know, on a date, you can wear anywhere, anytime in college, and this is obviously what you're going to be spending most of your time in. And another thing that you can bring, another couple of things that you can bring, are graphic t-shirts. Graphic tees, so this is like straying away from like the free t-shirts that you got in high school and middle school, so don't bring those. Let's not talk about those. But I'm talking about like the graphic tees that are so trendy, the ones that are super cute, like band tees, or just like any t-shirt that is graphic and has a design on it. I am in love with those. I love them. You can wear it with jeans, you can wear it with your jeans skirt, you can wear it with anything. And then if you want to get a little bit more technical, like a raincoat, sweaters, that kind of stuff, definitely add those to your list. But again, I would not go overboard. I don't think you need way too many of those. If we're talking about raincoats, I honestly have never worn a raincoat because I never check the weather. I never know what it's gonna be like. I never know when it's gonna rain. I always get caught in the rain, and I never end up grabbing my raincoat. Do I even have a raincoat? I am so indecisive with my hair. I'm just gonna leave it down now. Okay. I'm sorry for the distraction. Last big overall category that I'm gonna talk about when it comes to what you should bring to college are going out clothes. So the first thing I want to recommend when it comes to going out attire are cheap things. Cheap but nice. Okay, well, should I say cheap? Is that the right word? I guess affordable, but nice. Like you wanna look cute, but you don't wanna spend so much money because chances are someone's gonna spill your drink or their drink on you. You're gonna spill your own drink on you, or you're gonna get so sweaty that it's gonna just stink up the outfit for years to come. So a couple places that I would recommend to find such affordable going out attire would be my love, a lot of people's love, Target. It's the best. It's the best for a reason. Number 2, ASOS. I love ASOS. A lot of people are getting into ASOS, which makes me really happy. I've been into ASOS for so long. I discovered them before they were discovered, you know. Okay, so another place that I would recommend is Nasty Gal. Everyone loves Nasty Gal for a reason. I feel like Nasty Gal is just, can we say more? It's just incredible. They have so many pieces on there, such cute going out stuff specifically. So the first thing I would recommend is an LBD, which is a little black dress. It is an essential. It's the number one thing. If you're gonna bring nothing else to go out in, nothing else, then I say take an LBD and you're good to go. Like honestly, I could just end the video right now and be like, okay, you just need an LBD and you'll be good. I'm not lying. It's like the only thing you ever need. It's so basic that people can't really tell if you wore it already because you can style it so many different ways. You can wear it with a belt, you can wear it with different accessories, you can wear it with different shoes. Honestly, you can dress it up or down in so many ways and no one's gonna know if you already wore it. So an LBD. I'd also recommend bodycon dresses. Bodycon dresses, again, so comfortable, so cute. They come in so many different styles. I think they are so flattering on every single body type. Next thing that I want to talk about are those ripped jeans that I mentioned earlier. You can totally wear those to go out. You'd be so surprised how many people wear jeans to go out. I honestly, these days, most of the time, I pick my like boyfriend jeans over anything else because they're just so comfortable. They're so cute. You look kind of trendy. You're like, oh, she's wearing jeans. Like she's edgy. You can use them to go out and you can also use them for your day-to-day. So they're amazing. Another thing I would recommend is that jean skirt that I mentioned earlier. Again, you can wear this to go out. So cute. I love wearing jean skirts. I love that jean skirts are coming back because they're just so cute. They're so cute and I think they're still sexy. I think wearing jeans and wearing like a denim skirt is still flattering and still sexy. So highly recommend that. Okay, so that video was 1,001 years long. I really hope I can cut this footage down because oh my god, I just talk way too much. This is post-production Greta. You do, sister, you do. If you're going into your freshman year, then that is so exciting. I hope that you have an amazing year. It's gonna be so much fun. Don't even be nervous. Even if you don't even listen to anything that I said, you will be fine. If you overpack, if you underpack, you know, life goes on, you'll figure it out, it'll be okay. Like, you don't have to have everything perfect. I'm gonna go now. My hair is so frizzy and my bra is like falling off and I'm so hungry and I'm so thirsty. Yeah, okay. Well, I'll see you later. Bye!